All right, so updating the current Learning Blender. This is my time machine update for, I think this is project number 6. I've got so many that are in the works right now, it's not even funny. So this is the update for the time machine. I completed the chair with the little circles underneath it, and I completed the base with the clamps around it. We can pan around here. We can zoom up, and we've got this all nice and completed. It looks pretty cool. It's kind of like the H.G. Wells one. I think I said in a previous video. Sorry for the fan noise in the background. It is hotter than heck here today. Well, not hot, but it's warm. It's like 80 degrees out right now on April 10th. So that's pretty warm for April. We're up in these parts. So anyway, that is the project update for the time machine, and we will continue on with other ones. So until the next video.